Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I found this quilt this week and I wanted to share it with everyone just to find out some information. Really, I don't know much about quilts except that I kind of think I can tell when they're maybe old or vintage, and of course I only buy the the pieced quilts, like piece by piece. I mean, it's not just quilted all over one big piece of fabric, but there are pieces sewn together like this one, if you can see. And so I just wanted to show some of the fabrics that were used in this quilt. And I got it at a thrift store this week, and I didn't know until I got it home how almost, to me, it's almost perfect. Now there are a couple little seams coming loose, like very small in a couple of places, but you'd be hard pressed to find them. I had to look really close. Here's the border. It's got this pink and white, and then these little diamond shapes, all different fabrics, and the blue and white, and then the basic pattern, which I don't know the name of it, but there are these stars, and then there are these, and it looks like these squares here are repeated. I'll show you all throughout the whole thing, and then the stars are different fabrics. So let me take you on kind of an overview here again, and some of those fabrics are repeated, but as you can see, like there's a pink and white, there's a pink and white, there's a pink floral, and let's see, is that the same? There's a pink floral. So you see what I mean about that repeating. There's a yellow little kind of calico. There's a yellow calico. So I think it's really pretty, and I'll show you the back, and there's a label. There's a label on here, so if anyone knows how old this might be, it says right here, Arch Quilts, Elmsford, New York. So, and here's the back. It's white, just a white back, and I've already washed it, and so this is what it looks like. There was a little something on here, and I don't see it now. I guess it came out in the wash. It was on a corner, like a little something on a corner of one of these squares, like right here. It wasn't right here, but I'm just saying a little something, and I can't find it now, so I think it came out in the wash. But anyway, if anyone knows anything about this quilt, any information at all would be great. I don't know if I'm going to, I think I'm going to keep it, but I'm not 100% sure right now. My plan was to take it apart, but then I saw how beautiful it was when I came home. I just thought it was an old quilt. It was at a thrift store, kind of just thrown around, and I saw that it was pieced together and it looked like it had pretty fabrics on it, so I just grabbed it before someone else did and brought it home with me. And then I opened it up when I got home, and I really couldn't believe my eyes. So I think it's really beautiful, and it would be, I'm actually starting to get a quilt collection, not on purpose, but I just keep finding them. I think this is the third one. So not a lot, just a few. But anyway, I wanted to share. And just if you know anything about the fabrics, the age, anything like that, just leave it in the comments. I'd be glad to learn about this quilt. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting and happy thrifting.